From start to deliverable, Visualize 2025 will get your project done quicker, no matter what your marketing goals are. Attention-grabbing media for the website, for presentations, or even advanced interactive content has never been easier. Visualize 2025 has something for every user. Rendering your CAD designs for your website or presentations is a great way to capture the attention of viewers. For users just looking to spiff up their models with little effort, Visualize 2025 unlocks access to the API. This allows you to customize how SOLIDWORKS interact with your favorite rendering tool. For example, running a simple macro to render the model directly out of SOLIDWORKS can be a great way to enhance a presentation, or populate an entire gallery by running in batch. Regular users of Visualize will enjoy a number of key improvements. Setting up complex scenes can be a challenge while rendering in real time. Visualize 2025 increases productivity with newly redesigned fast mode based upon modern graphics architecture. This makes setup even more nimble and in most cases final renderings as well. The higher resolution, the more benefit there is to be found, making squinting at small images a thing of the past. A newly redesigned boost is available for those of you who outsource rendering computing to another machine. Rendering images with transparency is a common technique, while enabling or disabling the ground has been available. Visualize 2025 improves this method by allowing the ground plane to be faded instead. This retains all of the bounce lighting from the floor, but removes the visibility, making this option perfect for composing any cases where you need to isolate the aspects of your rendering to keep consistency with other renderings in set. For advanced users, using universal graphics formats such as GLTF is a great way to create interactive content for the web, mobile and presentations. Visualize 2025 has continued to embrace this format, and you'll find much greater visual consistency when using this format with Visualize, leveraging DSPBR format. This results in a fluid process when retrieving the data from other sources and exporting data for custom content and for collaborative projects. For example, GLTFs can be used to quickly and easily create interactive presentations that wow your unsuspecting audience. Whatever your goals are for capturing the attention of your audience, Visualize 2025 will help you communicate the incredible value of your brand faster than ever before.